Hello YouTube, this is for the 2004 Toyota Tacoma. This covers like the Gen 1, which is I think it's 2000 through 2004. I just wanted to give you a picture of the truck so you can see what it looks like. All these Gen 1s are basically the same truck using the same parts, but this video is going to be on replacing the reverse light. Very simple procedure. 4 screws, your tail light comes out, the bulb just easily comes out. Here are the 2 bulbs. The one on the left is what I just pulled out, and the one on the right is what I replaced it with, and that's the number, the W16W LED. And then this, I bought this from JDM Astar LED lighting. It was like $12. It was very inexpensive, but the results were outstanding. Look at this. So this is the original. I left it in on the driver's side, and then this is what I just replaced it with. Look at that. The difference is outstanding. And here's a side-by-side. Let me back up just a little bit. So I can't wait to see how much it's going to brighten up at night. But the I would strongly recommend changing out to an LED lighting. The brightness is incredible, and I'm going to do the front lights now. There's no reason not to. I think there's like $30 for the front lights for high beam, low beam. But anyway, good luck to everybody. It's a definite positive for me. Take care.